Increíble.
I'm filming this all.
Oh, you're covered in snow. You're running around with your iPhone all like, ah.
I forgot to zip up my coat. That's almost getting on my shirt. I like how I was making it.
You made a 6-minute film?
Okay.
Oh no, that's how much memory you have left. Keep on filming. Zoom in, zoom in. Zoom in, look at the snow. Look at all that snow. That is a crap load of snow. Wow.
Oh, there's Henry.
Oh man, we have got so much snow. Yes. I thought it would melt, but it didn't, and it's snowing with crap load. It's not really that.
Smile, Henry. Henry can't smile. He's not even human.